Are you seeing this scary Play Console error? Your advertising ID declaration says your app uses advertising ID, but your manifest doesn't include the permissions. If yes, don't panic. Here's exactly what it means and how to fix it in minutes. What this actually means. If you are targeting Android 13 plus, you must declare add ID in app content in Google Play Console. To fix this, you can either click on Update Declaration or you can go to your dashboard, go to Monitor and Improve, and click on Policy and Programs, click on App Content. Either way, you will reach the same destination. Here on the action, you have to click on Manage. Sometimes this advertising ID comes on Need Attention tab as well. So you have to go here on advertising ID, click on manage and select as yes and select any of the checkbox. Generally, advertising or marketing is the correct response for most of us. Once you click on save, the changes will be saved and it will be sent for review in publishing overview. Even after declaring it, the error may remain because you must add the permission manually. You also need to add this to your AndroidManifest.xml file. To add the permission in your manifest.xml file, you have to open your app in VS Code or any other editor you want. Open the Android folder, go to app, source, main. You will find the Android manifest.xml. You have to open this and add this permission in your Android manifest.xml file. Once you add it, you need to rebuild it again and generate an AAB file. Once the AAB bundle is generated, you can publish that bundle in your Play console and the issue will be resolved. Sometimes, even after adding the permission, the Play console error still continues. If you still get this issue, it means you have more than one AAB or APK active. This is the most common hidden cause. Google Play check all active artifacts, not just your new upload. If any old AAB APK in any track is missing the permission, you will continue to see the error. So you have to check all the tracks, production track, closed testing, open testing, etc. To fix this, you have to look for all the active artifacts and identify older bundles that do not contain add ID permission, deactivate or remove all outdated AAB. Or you can upload a new build to all tracks to replace them. Once every active bundle includes the permission, the error disappears. To fix this multi-bundle issue, you have to go to test and release, click on latest release and bundles. You can see an option to view all app bundles. I have two AAB with release status as active. One is this one and one is this one. So this one is in production. You can see this 13 is there on close testing, and if I try to see the permissions it have, so I'll go there. Here we can see there is no add ID permission added in this release. To fix this, you have to remove that bundle from release. Go to close testing, click on pause track. Once you pause the track, then after coming back to latest release and bundles, if I refresh, you can see the 13 is not there in this list. It is still active, but it is not deployed on any of the track. Now I'll deploy my release version 17, which is having the permission of ADID. So let me just show you that permission is there. I'll click on permissions detail. Here you can see the permission is there. Let's create a production release. This is my 17 version. I'll click on next. Now the issue is resolved. The error is not coming. You can see that error is not coming now. I'll click on save. Go to overview. So, to summarize, if you target Android 13 plus, Google requires you to explicitly declare advertising ID both in app content ID and in manifest. Even if you do both correctly, you may still get the error if any active bundle doesn't include the ADID permission. So you need to fix it at three layers. Declare ADID in app content, add ADID permission in manifest, ensure all active bundle include the permission, or deactivate older ones. Once all three are aligned, problem solved. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my other videos for more tech tips and tutorials.